Grade 9 Algebraic Expressions. In this lesson, we will learn how to factorize expressions, factors of expressions of the form AB plus AC. Let's explore. Is 5 a factor of 20? In other words, can 5 divide into 20 without a remainder? Is 5 a factor of 30? Is 5 a factor of 30 plus 20? Well, 30 plus 20 is 50, so 5 is a factor of 50. Is 5 a factor of 30 minus 20? Yes, because 5 is a factor of 10. So the answer is yes. So, is A a factor of AB? Yes. Is A a factor of AC? Absolutely. Is A a factor of AB plus AC? Yes. If A is a factor of AB and a factor of AC, then A will be a factor of AB plus AC. Let's find another factor for AB plus AC. So what do? We say AB plus AC, we know A is a factor, so let's divide by A to find another factor. If we divide AB by A and AC by A, we get B plus C. Thus, B plus C is another factor of the expression AB plus AC. So AB plus AC is the same as A times B plus C. Do you see that AB plus AC is a binomial? And this is one term or monomial or a product. Let's explore. 30 plus 20 divided by 5 is the same as 30 plus 20 written as product divided by 5. So if we factorize the top binomial, 5 is a common factor. It belongs to both terms. And then if we divide by 5, then 5 is our common factor. And now the 5's can cancel, or 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we divide a factor by a factor. We cannot divide a term by a term, but we can divide a factor by a factor. So let us apply. This is algebraic fraction. We factorize the numerator. The common factor is A. So if we divide by A, then we've got our other factor, B plus C. So A times, in brackets B plus C, will give us AB plus AC. Here are three terms. We need to find a common factor, but we need to find the greatest common factor. So if we look at the numbers, we see the common factor will be 2. It will be the greatest common factor. If we look at the powers, we notice it must be the one with the smallest exponent. So this will be one factor. So to get the other factor, let's take our trinomial and divide by 2x. So what is 4x cubed divided by 2x? It's 2x squared. And 2x squared divided by 2x is x. And negative 6x divided by 2x is 3. So this means this is our other factor. Therefore, if we factorize this trinomial, then it's the same as 2x times a bracket. If we expand or use the distributive property, let's check. Do we get that answer again? Yes. So we have factorized this trinomial. For each expression, find the factors of the first term, the factors of the second term, the greatest common factor of the two terms, and write the expression in factor form. So let's practice. The factors of the first term is 3 and x, because 3 times x is 3x. The factors of the second term, 6y. So what would be the greatest common factor? 3, and that's all. So now let's write the expression in factor form. 3 times x plus 2y. How did we get this part? We said 3x plus 6y divided by 3. And that will give us x plus 2y. So the factors of the first term, very good. What will the factors be of the second term? 2 and a. What will the greatest common factor be? So if we look at the 4 and the 2, it will be the 2 and 1a. So the greatest common factor is 2a. So now to get the other factor, we take this binomial and divide it by 2a. And then we get 2a squared plus 1. So we have factorized this expression, finding the greatest common factor. The factors of the first term. Good. The second term, what will be the greatest common factor? Only an x. So this will be x times 5 minus 2x. The first term, a and x and x. The second one, b, x, x, x. So notice there's an x square and there will be an x square. So it's usually the one with the smallest exponent will be the common factor. Therefore, our common factor is only x squared. So let's divide these two terms by x squared, and we'll see that will give us a minus bx. So we have factorized the binomial to x squared times the bracket. Do you notice there's a 3 and a 2? That will give us 6. The smallest exponent or power is a, and the smallest power between b and b squared is b. So 6ab is your greatest common factor. Let's divide this now by 6ab to get the other factor, and that is then 2a plus 3b.